In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a Google Drive link on WhatsApp. This is a handy skill to know if you want to quickly share files, documents, or any other type of content stored on your Google Drive with your friends, family, or colleagues using WhatsApp. We'll go step by step through the entire process to ensure you can easily accomplish this. First off, let's head over to Google Drive. If you're not already signed in, make sure to do that using your credentials. Once you're logged in and on the homepage of Google Drive, the next thing you'll want to do is find the file you wish to share. Navigate through your folders to locate the specific document, file, or folder that you're ready to share. It's important to ensure that you have the correct file selected, so double check if needed. Once you've found your file, the next step is to look for the share icon. You can find this by right-clicking on the file or folder. The share icon usually looks like a person with a plus sign or a stylized link. Clicking on this icon will open up the sharing settings for your selected file. Now you want to make sure that your sharing settings are configured correctly. Look for the option that says anyone with the link. This is essential because it ensures that anyone who has the link can view or access the file. In the sharing settings menu, you might see a drop-down menu that needs adjusting to this option. Select anyone with the link to guarantee that your file is accessible to whoever receives your link. Once you've ensured the correct sharing settings, it's time to copy the link. There should be a copy link button visible within the same window. Clicking this will copy your Google Drive link to your clipboard, making it ready to paste wherever you like. The next step is to open WhatsApp on your desktop. If you're using WhatsApp Web, you can do this by opening a new tab, navigating to web.whatsapp.com, and scanning the QR code with your phone if prompted. Once you're in WhatsApp, decide who you want to send your file to and open a chat with them. Simply paste your Google Drive link into the message text box. You can add a brief note about the file if you wish, to let the recipient know what it is or why you're sharing it. Then just hit send, and there you have it. Now your chosen file from Google Drive has been easily shared with someone over WhatsApp. This method is especially useful when dealing with large files or when multiple people need to access the same document. We hope you found this guide helpful. Thanks for watching and happy sharing.